Are you trying to improve your spoken English for quite a long time now, but still find yourself stranded in the middle of nowhere? Stranded का मतलब होता है फंसना, मतलब इतने सारे efforts करने के बाद भी you find yourself lost in the world of grammar and vocabulary. समझ ही नहीं आता है कि कहाँ से start करना है, कहाँ पर end करना है, या फिर language की proficiency के next level को कैसे reach करना है. Well, if that is the case, let me be your coach, and I promise I will make learning spoken English effortless for you. Based on my 8 years of extensive training experience, I have designed the most powerful and simplified course on spoken English. It teaches you grammar structures, most important vocabulary words and English expressions, voice modulation and pronunciation, and most importantly, it's not only about watching videos and completing assignments. This course will require you to participate in 45 different kind of challenges, and this is how you will beat the fear of public speaking. Well, my divine intention of designing this course is to touch millions of people's life and help them making their dream of speaking fluent English come true. 45 days and a new you, or your money refunded. Yes, you heard me right. And for those who come from non-English medium background, let me tell you, इस कोर्स को डिज़ाइन करने के लिए हमने बाइलिंगुअल अप्रोच फॉलो करी है. बाइलिंगुअल होती हैं 2 लैंग्वेजेस की हेल्प से, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, ताकि आपकी लेसन अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो 100%. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for the course now, and I'll see you in the introduction video with the blueprint of your 45 days English fluency challenge. All the best.